We are at the Henkel Distribution Center in Bowling Green, Kentucky. We are regional distribution center for Henkel North America, covering half the United States from this particular point. We are an automated facility. We went from a conventional storage warehouse to a fully automated DC 2 years ago. So this project began as a venture between Henkel, Siemens, to engineer an automated distribution center. We have several throughout Europe, and this was a great opportunity for Bowling Green to automate the DC and bring us into the forefront for automation and fast movement. The DC is 1.4 million square feet. Rack facility holds 200,000 pallets. We have a throughput capacity of 1,400 pallets, 700 pallets in, 700 pallets out. Working with Siemens has been a good opportunity. They've done several of the locations for us. They did all the engineering and integration, and then suppliers like NEDCON and others came in to do the installation and other components within the operation.